In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and add HS codes on Shopify for international shipping. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard through the Shopify website. Once you're logged in, click Products from the left-hand menu and select the product you want to update. Scroll down to the shipping section of the product page. If the product is marked as a physical item, you'll see fields related to customs information. Look for the HS Harmonized System code field. This is where you can view, add, or edit the product's HS code. If you need to update multiple products at once, go to Products, select the items, click Bulk Edit, then add the HS code column from the Columns menu. Enter the correct HS code for each product and click Save to apply your changes. Remember, HS codes are used by customs authorities worldwide to classify products and calculate duties and taxes, so it's important to use the correct code for your items. That's it. You can quickly find and manage HS codes directly from your Shopify product settings. Thanks for watching.